Today I'm going to be making carrot and walnut gingerbread. So this is a great healthy recipe that's good for all the family, and you can eat it every day. It also freezes really well, so you can actually cut it and then just put it in the freezer, and then it's really nice toasted for breakfast. So what we start off with is some carrots. I've just lightly peeled and washed the carrots. You need about 2.5 cups of grated carrot, which is about 3 medium carrots. So just going to grate the carrots. Okay, so now I've grated the carrots. I'm going to start with the dry ingredients, blending them first. This recipe makes good use of walnuts, which are naturally higher in antioxidants and in omega-3 than most other nuts, and they can help regulate blood sugar and lower blood pressure. So I'm going to put in a cup of walnuts and a cup of almonds, and also 1 cup of oats. So I'm just going to blend those until they become fine. So we've blended those. It looks like fine sand. And now for the ginger. Ginger is a bit like cinnamon in that it can help lower blood sugar. It's also good to help nausea, pain and digestive problems. So it's a great spice to have on hand. So I'm going to put in a tablespoon of ginger powder to make a nice ginger flavour for the gingerbread. There we go. I think that's all the dry ingredients. So I'm just going to blend those now. So now we're ready to put in the grated carrot. Carrot is a wonderful vegetable. It's full of vitamins, full of antioxidants. It's great for your hair, for your skin, for your teeth, for your nails, and the list goes on, really. So I just put the carrots in. Now just blend the carrots. So I've just roughly blended the carrots in. They're not well blended yet. Now we have to add the wet ingredients, which will make the mixture smooth. So now I have blackstrap molasses. This is the only form of sugar I'm putting in here. And of course it's unrefined, it's low GI, and it's very high in essential minerals. So it makes a really great healthy substitute to sugar. So I'm just putting 1 tablespoon. So now I need 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil today, but you could use coconut oil or rice bran oil. So just 2 tablespoons. And then a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Lastly, 1/3 of a cup of almond milk, or any other plant-based milk or even water if you prefer. Now we just have to blend everything till it's smooth. One thing I forgot to add was the flax. I've got 2 tablespoons of flax mixed with half a cup of water. And that, of course, is the egg substitute. So just put that in now. If you do forget any ingredient, it doesn't really matter. You can just add it in at the end and just keep blending. That's all blended. So now I'm going to put in about 1/4 cup of chopped naked ginger. And naked ginger is uncrystallized, so it's a little bit less sugar than crystallized ginger. And ginger, of course, is good for you, but if you do not want the extra sugar, then you don't need to add this. But it does give a nice flavour. I'm also going to add 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts as well. This is also optional. You could add other nuts if you prefer. So I'm just going to put the ginger and the walnuts into the mixture and just slightly blend them through. The mixture's ready. I've just lined a loaf tin with baking paper, so I'll just scoop the mixture into the tin now. So the mix is in the tin. If you like, you could put some more walnuts over the top, just scatter them or place them however you like. And just lightly press into the mixture. You could also use sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds or anything like that. And now this just goes into the oven at 180 degrees and it should take about 50 to 60 minutes to cook. Delicious carrot and walnut gingerbread, ready for the whole family to enjoy. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.